About this item package contents: 6 packs black on white, compatible TZe231 label tape, compatible for brother PTouch label makers, PTD210, PTH110, PTD400, PTD600, PTP700, PT1280, PTH100, PTD200, PTE100, PTE300, PTE500, PTH300, PT18R, PT200, PT550, PT1290, PT1950, PT2030, PT2430 PC, PT2700, PT2730, PT7600, PT300, PT310, PT320, PT520, PT540, PT1230 PC, PT9600, PTD450, PTH300 Li, PTH500 Li, PTP750W. The split back of the tape is easily removed, which makes replacement label tape easy to peel. Non-OEM, durable indoor or outdoor labels. Resistant to fading and water damage, it will not stain or smudge. It is suitable for use indoors or outdoors. TZe tape can be used in home, business, or industrial applications. It is perfect for labeling kitchens, shelves, and supply cabinets, and can be used in refrigerators, microwaves, and dishwashers. It will not fade or stain. Resistant to water, grease, dirt and heat. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item package contents: 6 packs black on white, compatible